In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create polls on TikTok Stories. Adding polls to TikTok Stories is an effective way to boost engagement and interaction with followers. By encouraging users to participate through simple votes, foster a sense of community and make viewers feel more connected. To do this, simply head to your TikTok. Let's say this is the story you want to add polls to. Simply tap on this sticker icon right here. Select on this option of poll. Type in the question you want to ask your follower. You can also edit the answers to the question. If possible, you can also tap on the poll to set its duration of appearance on your story. Once done, tap on the share button to get public to your TikTok friends. That's how easy it is to add polls in stories on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.